Hello and welcome back to my channel. So after I uploaded my video about what's in my travel backpack, I had plans to make another video about what's in my wintertime travel backpack because there are some changes, and yeah, that's why this video for. And this time, this winter trip, it's a short trip and 5 days trip, and hopefully we'll be go to our desired place by train, and we'll be coming back by bus hopefully. And both of these journeys will be nighttime journey, and this time I'm not taking my overcoat this time because this trip is not a formal kind of trip, or there will be no formal event in this trip. So yeah, that's it, and let's proceed.
So yeah, this is my tech pouch and these are the all tech things. I don't take a lot of things, just my phone charger and data cable and an extra earphone, and that's all about my tech pouch. And now this is my medicine pouch, and here I take necessary medicines, bandage, etc. And this one is a prayer related thing, but I keep it here in this pouch. So that's it. This is my cosmetics pouch, and these are the cosmetic things. And this one is a folded toothbrush, and when you open up like this and fold it, it become a complete full toothbrush, and then you can again fold it back. It's so cute. And my pouch, I keep it in my backpack like this, or vertically, and in that way it take less space. And when I reach my destination, I keep these things like this for easy access. And yeah, and I keep this chain thing here, opening thing. So now this is the moisturizer container and my hair oil and toothpaste. And yeah, here I take shower gel, and here my face wash, and this is my folded toothbrush. So now this, here I keep my sunblock cream, and in here I keep my face cream, and I'll fill all them up at night. Now I'm just showing. So this is my toiletry pouch. Now about my journaling items, and these are the stationery I take. This is a multicolor pencil, and this is the normal pencil, and it's a ball pen and highlighter pen. These are two glitter pens, and this one is a gel pen. And yeah, this is ruler, sharpener, and an eraser. So I take this file and all my A4 size pages, color pages, stickers, I take them in here. So yeah. Now this is my jewelry case, and I modified it from a pencil case, and I have a video on it. I'll give the link of that video in the description box below, and also in the info cards. Please check that out if you are interested. Now this is my big earring. It's a ring, and it's a top, and a watch, and a bracelet. So I take these things, and also these hair sticks, and then I keep this tissue so that they can come out, and then I keep it and close it. And I also keep it in a standing position like this. Now this emergency bag, I keep some personal items here. I will share only about 3 things. One is tissue paper roll, 2 extra pocket tissues, and this wet wipes to clean me up when I don't take bath. So these are 2 drinks, cup soup and instant coffee, and I take them. And I also take this sheet mask with these things. And now some random things, 1 extra pair of glasses, and my water bottle, and this clutch bag, and my shoe. I'll wear it inside and also outside, and also these boots, and I will wear this in my travel time and also with my shari. So this is my travel time outfit, and these are tights, and for upper layer I'll wear this, and yeah, and also these glasses, and the watch, this hair stick, and earrings. I'll wear them during the journey time. So yeah, now this shari, I want to wear it during the last dinner night. So yeah, and it's another outside dress, and yeah, it's like this, and I also want to wear it with denim, and it's another outside dress, and yeah, and these are the 2 ways I'll wear it. And now some inner and outer wears for extra layers, as it's winter, and it's a heavy shawl, and gloves and socks, 1 pair. And yep, this dress I want to wear it inside. Well, I'm not outdoor, so this is sleeping mask and sleeping cap. I take them, and use them. And the last two things are the towels. They are our country style towels called gamcha. They are easy to clean, easy to dry, and easy to take. They are so small and compact. I like them. This backpack I'll take. Here are 3 compartments. These 3. And here is a mesh pocket. I'll take my water bottle here. And here I keep some paper. So this is the main compartment. This one. And here's a poly bag at the bottom, and it's a laptop slip, but I won't take my laptop. And I want to share another thing, that I won't take this tech pouch this time, and I'll take all these tech things in this clutch bag. And every time we go to travel and we are backpacking, we obviously modify our things and clothes, everything. So yeah, this is it. So now I've started my packing, and the thing is, in this video I'm not sharing about my handbag. It's almost like the previous time, but one thing I want to take with me, that is a folded bag. And this bag, I want to take it in my handbag, but I won't show it. So I'm just talking about that in here. So the folded bag, I want to take it because when I'll reach my destination place, I want to distribute my clothes and all the other things between this backpack and also with that folded bag, so that it become easier for me. And yep, this is a new thing I'm starting with this travel time and travel backpacking, that I am taking another foldable bag with me. So yeah, so that's the thing. And you see, I'm packing the whole thing and everything, and actually it's not that easy, and I had to figure it out, how can I pack the whole thing, all the things, without compromising anything. And yeah, so here goes the first compartment. Now the second compartment is smaller than that was the biggest compartment. So I am taking the slim things here, slim and light things here. And yep, you see, here goes my towels, and this one I'll close it. And in the front pocket I'll take the medicine pouch. And one thing I didn't take into this backpack, and that is this heavy shawl, because I want to just keep it on my lap and legs during the journey time, use it as a blanket. So that's all for today, and I think it will be helpful for many of you. So as always, help yourself, help others, stay elegant, take care.
Hello and welcome to Marvel. And this time I'm not taking my backpack.
So I don't take a lot of things, only my data cable and the data cable.
And the data cable.